the toy pack.
Hello everyone, let's see what do we have here with us. We have a mini touch panel cash register. You like Minnie Mouse? I like Minnie Mouse. I also like Mickey Mouse. Wow, this looks fun. It has quite a lot of things inside. Let's take a look. This is big. What do we have inside? Has a mini cash register, of course, and then it also has some food items, money, coins, a money card, and then it tells you how to play. You could scan the food. Wow. And then you could calculate and see how much each item is. And then there's also a shopping basket and some instruction manual. Wow, this looks fun. Ooh, okay, let's open it. Okay, what do we have here? There's a manual. It tells you what's inside and it tells you how to play this. Okay, I'm not gonna look at it right now. Let's take a look at it. We have 2 cards. Okay, this card we have different food items. Do you know which is which? Do you know what's this? Very good. Egg. How about this? Well, there are 2 names. First one it could called yam. It's also known as sweet potato. Here we have tomato, fish, meat, maybe pork, maybe beef, maybe lamb, okay, bread or toast. Vegetable we have here, we have lettuce, we have cheese. This looks like a cucumber, bananas, grapes, and strawberries. How about the another card? What do we have? Ooh, sweets. Okay, this looks like a muffin. What's this? Looks like Slurpee. Churros, donuts. Look, it's in the shape of Mickey and Minnie. And then we have another donut, strawberry glazed, and another donut, chocolate glaze, another maybe chocolate donut. Here we have lollipops, right? A mini lollipop. Different flavor mini lollipop. How about here? Can you guess what this is? Yes, it's milk. Strawberry milk with the strawberry on the front. And this is a drink. It says drink right in front, but not sure what kind of drink. Maybe a soda. And here looks like a cookie of some sort. A mini cookie. Let's take a look at this. It's a basket. Let's see what's inside the basket. We have Minnie. Hi, I'm Minnie. How do you do? Do you remember what's this? That's right, sweet potato. What's another name for it? Yes, yam. It looks like a potato, doesn't it? Yes, but it's different color on the outside. What do we have here? Milk. Can you guess what flavor this is? You're right, it's strawberry. Strawberry milk. You like strawberry milk? I like it. Not my favorite flavor, but I like it. And then we have fish. Hello, hello. Fish is actually very good for you. And what's this here? Oh, we have tokens, money, coins. We have 3 different type of coins. Purple, pink, yellow. So, different coins. And look, it has the shape of Minnie or Mickey on it. Okay. What's this? Very good. It's cheese. Who likes cheese? I like it. Yummy, 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 yum. What else? Ooh, what's this? That's right. Bread, toast. I like bread too. What's this? Ooh, money. Banknotes with Minnie on it. How much is this? 5000. Do you know how much is that? $5,000. Wow, that's a lot of money. And what's inside? E-money. Oh, it's the money card. I wonder how do we use this money card? Let's find out later. Here we have the cash register. Wow, this is big. This looks nice. Wow. It has a panel here. And you can see the numbers. I think we could take this out. Let's see. Oh, can we? And then here it say total, cancel, shopping basket, touch, and there's also a screen on it. And then here we have a Minnie or Mickey gloves. Right here, you could press it. And then I think this is the scanner. I wonder what's this. Here we have, can we take this out? Looks like, oh, it's a receipt. Okay. And then here say coin. Okay, so you put the coin into the coin slot. How about here? What is this? Oh, you press on this button and the drawer slides open. And then maybe you could put the money inside? Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's turn this on, okay? The button, the on button on the side, you see? On and off. So I need to press this on.
Hello there, I'm Minnie Mouse. Welcome to my shop. May I help you? Come on, let's add it up. Please scan an item or touch the screen.
Oh, it can talk. Did you hear that? Minnie Mouse is say, scan an item or touch the screen. Okay, let's remember the scanner's right here. Let's see if it'll scan the fish. How's that? Ooh, it did scan. What happens? Oh, look at the panel. Do you see the panel? It says $120. You see that? Okay, let's see what happens if we press. Oh, 6, 3, and this one is cancel and back to 0. And then press 7. And then I could cancel it, right? Some shopping basket. 3 plus 1. Let's see. Okay, let's try scanning another item. Let's try. Remember? Cheese, let's try. How much is cheese? Uh-oh. How much is cheese? Okay, let me cancel and try again, okay? Doot, doot, doot. How much is cheese? Ooh, it's expensive, $200. Let's try the, remember what's this? Sweet potato, yam. Let's try this. Doot, doot, doot. How much is yam, do you think? It's $120. Okay. Remember the card? Remember? We could put up on the top. Okay, let's put this.
Looks like a map. Let's add it up.
Let's add it up.
Scan an item or touch the screen.
Okay, so let's touch the screen. Let's touch this. Let's touch this. What's this? Remember what's this? Oh.
Looks like you're going to make something delicious. Three eggs.
Egg. How much is egg? $250. How much? What's this?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Fish.
Fish.
Meat.
Meat.
Bread.
Bread.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Banana.
Banana.
Grape.
Grape.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Let's change the card.
Come on, let's add it up.
Remember this card?
Scan an item or touch the screen. Oh, come on, let's add it up. Oh, looks like you're shopping for sweets.
Sweets.
Please scan dark chocolate donut. Cupcake.
Cupcake. Oh, it's not a muffin, it's a cupcake. I'm sorry.
Popcorn.
Oh, that's a popcorn. Oh, I thought it was a drink. I'm sorry.
Churros.
Churros. Yeah, I'm right.
Donuts.
Donuts.
Strawberry donut.
Strawberry donuts.
Dark chocolate donut.
Dark chocolate donut.
Chocolate donut.
Chocolate donut.
Apple ice cream.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was a lollipop. It's ice cream.
Apple ice cream.
Apple ice cream.
Mandarin orange ice cream.
Mandarin orange ice cream. Never had that before.
Strawberry milk.
Strawberry milk.
Juice.
Juice.
Waffle.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was cookie. It's actually a waffle.
Waffle.
Waffle. Cool. Okay.
Come on, let's add it up.
Remember
Scan an item or touch the
here? Remember what do you think we put on it? Let's see. Remember this? E-card. I wonder how do we use this? Let's buy something first. Let's scan fish again. Okay. And then how do I pay this? Do I put it here? Oh! And then what do we do? Ding!
You have 2 items. Thank you for shopping at my shop.
It say thank you for shopping. Oh, nice. So this is the e-card. You could pay for food with this.
Wow.
Ooh.
La 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 la. Oh.
This is cool. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
I like this. Remember the coins? Let's see what happens when I insert the coins. When I pay with my coins. Remember? Looks so cute. It has Minnie's face or Minnie's head on it. Okay. So put this in the slot. Then comes out. Ding dong. Let's see if I could scan the bread without taking it out from the bag. Let's see. Oh, I can. How about the strawberry milk? Oh, this is awesome. So how much for 2 items? $200. So I could turn this off like that. Wow. I would love to have one of this. This is really nice. So you could learn to shop and Learn your math with this toy. Wow, I would like one. So until next time, bye for now.